How to enable Play Store when disabled. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple. Just open up your settings and then scroll down to apps. Then navigate to the Google Play Store. Now, as you can see, it's right here and it says disabled next to it. So click on it. And once you are on this page, at the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see an option that says turn on. Click on it. And once you do that, the Google Play Store will be enabled, as you can see. It's a very easy and simple process. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable the Google Play Store after it has been disabled. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.